Good morning. Welcome to another episode of Keto Chronicles. So today I think I'm going to go to H-E-B because this is fantastic news. I don't know, is it news? No. More like an idea that I had. Because I noticed that a lot of people were asking for keto biscuits, and so I was like, okay, absolutely, let's do a keto biscuit recipe. But then I was like, you know what? You know what would be even better? Those Chick-fil-A chicken biscuit sandwich things. I'm just saying. So I think I'm gonna go to H-E-B and grab some stuff. I don't know if I'm gonna make the recipe today or in the next day or 2 or 3 and do a keto biscuits recipe and then do a Chick-fil-A biscuit chicken, whatever it's called. So that's in my thoughts today. Also get stuff for the Big Mac. Hair. Also get stuff for the Big Mac chaffle thing because that was really good. And then I have to go to the parents' house with the dog. Well, that was fun. Recorded some stuff without it recording. Anyway, I have to go to the parents' house with the dog. And then I don't know what we're doing for lunch. So that's a thing. But then afterwards, I don't know. I'll probably attempt to do a recipe. I don't know. Y'all, H-E-B is so tempting. They've got such good crap. And I forgot the pickles, and it's so ridiculous having to walk all the way back. Do you guys do that too? And I was just going through the mayo aisle, and my gosh, prices of mayonnaise is out the window. Jeez, y'all, I have to get it. I know it's got dextrin in there, but I mean, I've been craving sweets. I need to get out of this stupid candy aisle. I was here for some water enhancers, damn it. Okay, with the sweet department, y'all will think I'm crazy. But I make a Cinnamon Toast Crunch cereal with pork rinds. And I had to go all the way to get some almond milk because I'm gonna do that. I'll show y'all how to do it. I made a video, but my gosh, is it good. Pork rinds, I know. Okay, I had to get the one that was the flavoring. They don't have extract, obviously, but I mean, the ingredients are just basically alcohol and coloring or whatever. I don't know how they get maple from it. I don't know. But when I was looking in other maple flavorings or whatever, there was maple syrup in there, and that's a big no-no, so just note on that. Okay, they refreshed my sandwich stuff. Do you see that? Jesus. Y'all, what the hell is this? I'm buying it for my fridge. It was like $4. Impulse buy. I'm stupid. Y'all, I was planning on spending maybe $40. I came out of here $70 less rich. If you can call me rich. Stupid. I got home and look at this one over here. He even moved my pillow. First off about that rich comment. The rich comment. I was thinking to myself, okay, well, by any no means am I rich, but I was just like, but I am probably stupid for spending $7 for 3 sandwiches, and that's just for the bread. Also, I have this shirt that I swear, like, it's so comfy. I want to wear it, especially now that I can wear it. Okay, I'm so embarrassed to even like wear it to do a video. It's so super comfy. I don't want to wear that to the parents' house either, you know. I don't know, I'm being crazy. Anyway, I gotta unload all this stuff, including this impulse buy. Where was it? I don't even know where it was, but like, why did I need a clear shelf bin thing for my refrigerator? I don't know. But it was $4. I was like, that's a great deal. Jesus. I mean, it's not a terrible shirt, but to wear to the parents' house, H-E-B, or this video, not a good idea. Aside from the babe shirt, I did just learn that we're having barbecue, which is perfect because, you know, meats and stuff, all good. Yay. Plus, this is Texas. Brisket territory. You gonna go to Grandma Grandpa's? You wanna go? I'll buy. By the way, first off, I'm sitting at a red light. I did not hit the crease. Hold on. There were tons of people at H-E-B, and it was 8:30 in the morning. I'm like, shouldn't you guys be at church, heathens? Hypocrite alert. Well, I'm back, and it's hotter than Satan's balls out here. I went to put something in the freezer, and apparently I'm not doing the Big Mac chaffles this week because I totally forgot about ground beef when I was at the store. I wanted to bring up another point that Crafty Ketovore said in my last vlog about Catalina Crunch. Okay, this is so, you might as well eat regular sugar and go ahead and have some cereal, some Cinnamon Toast Crunch or something, because that's probably better for you than what that Catalina Crunch is. It is not keto friendly. It is not good at all. I don't even know why they put that on there. Y'all stop eating Catalina Crunch. It's so bad. Anyway, I think that's about it. I know I said I was going to do the cereal, but after eating the barbecue, I'm just full. So I guess maybe I'll do the cereal tomorrow. Anyway, guys, thanks for liking and subscribing. I'll see you next time.